A lot of you guys ask me what type of camera I use for my YouTube videos. Some of you assume it's a RED, or maybe a high-end cinema camera, or an expensive mirrorless DSLR. But actually guys, for the last 2.5 years, I've actually been using a Sony a6400. Many of you are familiar with this camera and some of you may even own it. I've literally been using it all this time with the kit lens. That's the lens that it literally comes with in the packaging. The Sony a6400 is a relatively affordable camera, usually under $1,000 USD. It's versatile. It has a cropped sensor, not a full frame sensor, but it shoots 4K, which is crucial since I shoot all my videos in 4K these days. Its autofocus is reliable, it performs decently in low light, and the color science seems to be solid. I can also shoot in full HD at 120 frames per second, although I haven't used that feature recently. And one limitation is that it doesn't actually shoot in ProRes, it records in compressed H.264 codec and an MP4 container. But despite that, it's been an incredible camera, and I use it literally every day in my tutorials. I'm actually using it right now. All right. Is out here, we're just here working on this little thing. Are you a video editor? I'm sorry. I bet your computer a lot of the time feels like a double-edged sword. On one hand, it brings your creative visions to life, but it also sucks away your time, leaving you drained. You're not invested in your health, your friends and your family miss you. You're about to lose the love of your life, and you need a solution before that happens. My suggestion, and what's worked for me while building my YouTube channel to 500,000 subscribers and being a freelancer, have someone else do the work for you, but not in the way that you think. I save hours on my edits by using Premiere Pro and After Effects templates made by professionals. Specifically, this bundle of 20 templates made by me and my team on the Olufemi channel. I'm talking about ePrism Volumes 1 and 2 that add these gorgeous prism lens distortion effects to your footage. It's perfect for music videos, weddings, commercials, and so much more. I'm talking about my cinematic titles pack, which are mind-blowingly simple to use and look absolutely gorgeous. Guys, I'm talking about my 50 subtle text animations pack, my VHS glitch pack, my TV screens and computer screens pack. So many incredible transition packs, light leak packs. There are too many packs to name. They are all carefully handmade by us, just for you. Say it with me. Templates save you time. Your time is valuable. Your time equals money. I'm giving you the total collection bundle right now for only $80. This includes 20 professionally made packs to streamline your workflow and to save you hours in your edit. That's only $4 a pack. Click the button to start getting your life back while creating your best work yet. The a6400 shows just how much camera technology has advanced in recent years. Improvements between new models of cameras have become smaller, meaning that you don't always need to have the latest or most expensive gear to produce great content, because it's all about really just hitting a certain quality standard. You don't need to spend thousands on a camera for every project. For instance, I've shot numerous projects with my a6400, including all my tutorials again, and even client work like this music video.
Done it, came back, run it, lay back, love it. Get awkward, half time, hydrate, ain't no time for orange slices.
The key to making any camera work well is lighting. As long as you have good lighting, bright and soft, you'll get good quality footage with most modern cameras. When you see me shooting my YouTube videos, I'm usually in a controlled environment like this, with a soft light, which helps create crisp and beautiful images. I actually use a grid on a softbox to focus the light on me and prevent it from spilling too much into the background, enhancing that foreground-background separation and making the image pop. Shooting in 4K allows me to actually zoom in without losing quality, adding to the flexibility of my setup. So, looking ahead, I'm excited about the future. With increased competition, cameras are becoming cheaper and better. I remember when the only choices for prosumer cameras were Nikon and Canon DSLRs. Then Sony, Panasonic, Fuji, and Blackmagic all entered the scene, along with many other brands, leading to better products and more options. This is a very exciting time for video creators, and just look out because the tools that we use are going to just continue to improve.